Hey guys, we are out here at St. Pete Beach. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's really windy, but it's beautiful out here. See, look behind us. Beautiful water, beautiful dudes, beautiful women running around here with us. Anyhow, cool place to go for sure. This is on the the west coast of Florida, just west of Tampa. Clearwater Beach is just north of here, like 30 minutes or something like that. But pretty cool place.
Beautiful blue, crystal clear water.
Yeah, we rented one of these yellow things. Not that guy, but the yellow thing. We rented some of those. Not the umbrellas, but like way back there, like the houses. Cabana with 2 chairs for like, it was 20 bucks or something. We talked them down. They wanted 30, got it for 20. So not a bad deal. You don't have to bring your own chairs or nothing. So.
Turn around so you see the beach.
Miranda said you turn around so you can see the beach. There it is. No complaining here. A little better than Oklahoma right now.
Here you go, honey.
What?
Life is rough here on the beach. Miranda and I are chilling on the beach. Living it up. It's kind of hot. The breeze is just enough. Oh, it's the seagulls. Want you to feed them. Haven't fed them yet.
What up, buddy? Huh. Probably a pretty normal Oklahoma thing to do is videotape seagulls on the beach. Selfie time?
Good. St. Pete Beach.
Hi. St. Pete Beach.
Not a bad view. Just videoing.
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture.